In this video, we will show you how to bypass Windows 11 system requirements during installation. When you install Windows 11, especially for the newest version, sometimes maybe you have noticed that your hardware is not supported. You can bypass this all requirement, so you don't be worried with this. First, you need to prepare your Windows 11. I already prepared my Windows 11.iso files here. Okay, you can also get the file on the internet. The number second, you need to prepare the USB to create bootable file. Okay, in here I prepare my USB. You can see my USB file is approximately 14 gigabytes. You can using 8 gigabytes of USB, of course. Okay, the number three, you need to open Rufus.ia. This is software to create bootable USB. You can scroll down and download the latest release. First is installer and the second is portable. Okay, you can see 4.4p. This is mean portable. Okay, you can just click to download. Let's put on our desktop. After that, we can open our Rufus. This is our Rufus. We can double click here and we can click no. In here, our USB automatically detected. You can see there, generic flash this USB device. For the ISO, okay, point into our ISO files. Okay, after that, we can click show advanced drive properties. You can see there, partition scheme. When you select, there is two options, MBR, Master Boot Record, or GPT. GPT is used for the newest devices and MBR is used for older devices. Usually, the newer devices is required for Windows 11 installation. So, in here, we select GPT. If you're using older devices, you can select MBR in here. After that, we can click start. Now, you will asking the question, customize Windows installation. Okay, this is the most important thing. You can bypass the system requirement by ticking remove requirement for 4 GB RAM, secure boot, and TPM 2.0. Just make it by default like this. And you can also remove requirement for online Microsoft account if you want. Okay, you can select the option that suits with you, but for requirement or system requirement, just tick the first option is enough. And then you can click OK. And click OK to start to creating bootable for your USB. You can see the process is in here. Make sure later before you use, this is 100%. Okay, and you can see your USB still in progress. After that, you can use this USB to install Windows 11 without system requirement. Hope the video helpful for you.